Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see how to repair preparing automatic repair for the Windows 10 or Windows 11 in Windows for the repairs. Okay. And now how to resolve the issue. When I try to turn on my desktop laptops for the HP, Dell, Acer, Lenovo, this kind of issues comes for looping only. Looping only Windows booting. How to resolve the issue? Now I am given the description file. This is a basic thing. Go and copy paste the file. This is a video. In this video that we are doing, this is a automatic repair. When I try to advance option in continue Windows 10 11 also is we are doing the looping issue, and troubleshoot also we are tried not working for repairing. Okay, how to resolve the problem? System 32 in files for regedit command format also we are tried. Here not showing hard drive in local or machine hard drive. So how to resolve the problem? Okay, so many videos here. Hard drive detected, some check disk, SFC scan now, and health check we are doing all the things, but not repaired. How to repair it? Okay, I am given the description, the link. Go on ISO file, go on the download and boot create media for the bootable media created using Rufus or some other tool. Just boot the tool Acer for Lenovo, any laptop desktop set. In under you get this kind of computer. Go to this PC, check your hard drive detector not internal, here not detected. Go to this PC, right click manage. In under device managers there, go and check disks for disk drives. I am SSD is there, I detected here. Now it is not labeled in this hard drive. Go and right click, change, add. Just add your label. Now hard drive you have detected. Now once do command format. Now select which one your hard drive now detected now, which one your C drive. Go and check once. After do the work command works for this drives. This is for D drive. Okay, this is D1 drive is old my SSD. So what we do, check disk for this D drive. I'm go search bar and C drive not here. D drive is there. Go and check disk doing well. Search option, click search option, CMD and command format, right click, run as administrator and D colon enter, and here chk dsk space /F /R enter. So Y enter. Yes, now what happened? 5-stage command format in 5-stage run check disk. After 5-stage running, after just close command format, again reopen run as administrator, do SFC scan now. Same procedure. Now SFC scan now do. SFC scan now. Now what we do, I am given the description download file link. Go and download, copy paste to given procedure. This is for Windows 10 system 32 file and Windows 11 system 32 file. You are what is the Windows, you select and download it. Now I am downloaded. For the 3 icon is there, just click 3 dot is there, just click and download, or in down section is there, just go and download it and open it. Just copy paste to here. this tool working is internet also. Okay, just copy paste to C drive, mean your D drive. Now your Windows, what is the your hard drive, local hard drive, just go and select and copy paste to here. Okay, I'm system32. I'll copy paste from to I am using internal hard drive, just pasted. This is a system32. Copy, replace it. After restart your computer. Now go and check once your Windows 10 OS, just Windows update stop, put up Windows 11 OS is there, put on and go to live update. Okay, Windows update live, put go to current date up to Windows update. Then your any issues comes or not, come and comment me in description. I will given solutions for these things. I'm given the descriptions also for it's available, all the tools available. We are given the link and below description. Go and download it. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Like and share, subscribe. Another video we are seeing for this issue. Thank you friends.